them drop one big thing and it divided in a 4. That's why them call them house a quad. So when you look at the wall right there, so now you see the back door there right there, so we look a bush up. Yeah. Beside the back door now, you have a little window that are the bathroom window. You come in from the front of the awning there, the front door, and then the window them. In the yard right there, so where you see them gravelly and them something there, at the yard space that.
What's up, beautiful people? It's yours truly, 876 by birth, and welcome to another drive into Jamaica.
What's up, everybody? Wagwan. You don't know 876 by birth. Yeah, I'm there again. I'm here say, yo, I hope everybody wants to hear my voice. I hope you're there in a good spirits. I hope you're there in a good health. I hope everything good for you. Yeah. Right now, people, we're there in a Portmore, alright? And we just continue. This is a part of a series of video where we are doing the community of Portmore. Right now we're there on a greater Portmore itself, and from right hand side you have a community called 8 West, and you have 7 East on the left. Right now we are going to strut it through 8 West. We're going to turn right so. So this is actually the entrance for 8 West and 7 West, people. Yeah. So we're just going to take a look in our 8 West community. We're not going to go too in depth, but we're just going to browse, you know. Yeah, we just going to browse, my people. We just going to browse through. So yeah, over the community, you know, them have like 2-bedroom and 3-bedroom houses originally, but the people them build them up, as you can see, are some damn big houses, eh? Yeah, but what you going now? Them each up together, people. You know, say that a Portmore biggest thing. They each up thingy. Yeah. But the people them make use of what them get, and them live nice and comfortable, alright? Yeah, them not breach for nobody land, them not cross the boundary and build for nobody space. Whatever, them just do them thing, you understand? So right now, as I say, we're in a community, it's called 8 West, and we just have view and see what go on. We just are carrying through the little communities them of Portmore for to see exactly what go on and thing, you understand? Yeah, my people. Now gonna be long videos, them are gonna be kind of shortish in a way, you know? But yeah. I just want to say big up everybody where I show the support. People who are watching video, then the people who like or subscribe. You know, the people who just do the right thing and pre the video them and thing, yeah? Yeah, man, we just say yo big up on yourself. You don't know. People who are comment, the new subscriber them big up on yourself. The old one them Rika Wagwan. Yeah, man, big up the old subscriber them, man. Yeah, man. You see what I say? Yeah, man. Big up on yourself, man. Hey, me have some dedicated people when I ramp in, man. Yo, big up on yourself. On my right hand side, right there, so you have a school that them call Epsom Basic. Yeah. A basic school basically, people. You understand? Yeah, man. Basic school, my people. You get me? Yeah, man. Basic school. As I said, this community is called 8 West. It is basically adjoining to 7 West too. You understand? Them flow in each other. Because as you see when we make the turn, it was one entrance for both of them. 8 West have a few entrances. That's not the only entrance, you know. They have a few more entrances for telling you the truth. And thing, yeah. So as I say, them kind of flow in each other. But them houses here, them scheme are there from long time of people. Probably I think from about in the 90s, yeah? Yeah man, as I see that one little corner shop right there, so. Yeah, you can get a little snacks, a little nick snacks. Yeah. Yeah man. Alright people, so basically now over in 7 West. Yeah. We are take our time make our way. You know? Try for cruise so you can get a good view of this community. See what it is like. And Portmore is a place where full of school too, you know, people, like high school, primary school, basic school. As you see earlier, I'm showing Epsom Basic. It's called Epsom Basic because the area there is known as Epsom. Alright? Yeah, that's how it's known as. So the school, them name it off it. Alright? Yeah. Alright, so straight ahead would have bring me down to 6 West. Yeah, 6 West and 5 West. But I take it right so because I need to show you this primary school which is called Belmont Park on my right hand side, yeah? Yeah man, primary school is people. Good primary school too, nice decent primary school, you understand? Yeah. Whole heap of people go there too. Yeah, one of the reputable primary school them too in a Portmore city of people. Yeah. So if me a drive past your place, you can make me know too, and say, yo, you know you pass me yard, yo, we never stop for little water, little orange juice. Something. Yeah, man. So yeah. And as me I tell you, say how the place set up is like it does flow in a one. Yeah? Everything does flow in a one. Because right now we are go over in a 6 West them place. And of course you have the east part too. You know, cause you have 6 East and 5 East and 4 East and all them things there which you are gonna get to. Alright? Yeah, you have them. You get me? Yeah, man. Yeah, so we just exit 7 West, which dep on right hand side. On the left hand now a 6. You understand? Yeah. And this on the right hand side of the back part of Belmont. Belmont Park Primary School, yeah. That's the back part. Over there some people are just bush. Yeah. And there's a canal or a little gully if you want to call it like that. Yeah, man, over the side there, you get me? Yeah. But this is like the back part now of 6 West, people. Like the back part of 6 West. Alright? Yeah. Yeah, people of Portmore, this greater Portmore. Yep. Alright. And yeah, bus run right there, so. Them have a bus run right there, so. I think of the number 18 bus run right there, so people. Yeah. And you have 5 West too, as well as me say. Yeah. All them lovely places there. Alright. Think now on my right hand side of 5 West. Yeah. So the whole place does intertwine, people. As me say, it does flow. Just flow in a one. You get me? Yeah, it just flow in a one, people. Just flow in a one, alright. Them houses you know are like the little small one them as me that tell you about. Let's see, make you get that try to make you get a look from probably one of them. Alright. Here's one. Alright, people. So you see this yellow place now where you see with the blue and white awning? Alright, people. That's a one place. If you can look beside it, you see the creamish color house, that is another one. Behind it, where you look upstairs, where you see them close up on the line and you see the addition, that is a next house round there. So them call it a quad because of 4 houses. Them drop one big thing and it divided in a 4. That's why them call them house a quad. So when you look at the wall right there, so now you see the back door there right there, so we look a bush up. Yeah. Beside the back door now, you have a little window that are the bathroom window. You come in from the front of the awning there, the front door, and then the window them. In the yard right there, so where you see them gravelly and them something there, are the yard space that people. Alright? Now, beside it is a next yard. As you can see them have do them addition. Right where it start, at this are the boundary. To out here, so where you see the line post come, at that, at this so. So that are the space where you originally get people when you buy them house here. But as you can see, we are drive through and you see some big mansion the people them put up. You get me? Yeah, you see some mansion where them put up. So the people them make use of the thing. You understand? Yeah, they make use. Some people benefit more because they look at some people build right out of the roadside and put up a wall. They're not really necessarily supposed to do it. But they do it, but they don't have the house there. They just put up a wall and them have the open space, so them take that for them yard. You understand? Yeah, them take that for them yard space, people. And so them do it round here, so. Alright? As I say, it is not illegal, but I guess nobody now come trouble them. They also have been how much in years now, 30 odd, probably 40 years now. Nobody now trouble them. You see it? So you see the big house them where the people them build from the little something, I'm just show you. You get me? This is the front part around this, so when I just did stop. This is a different house. And at the front part, the next side, me for say, not the front part, because it's a different house. And next side, and you see the huge thing where them put up. You get me? Good enough, but you just not have no yard space. You just not have no yard space when you do that. So that's why who live on the corner take up the extra space. It's actually one little gully and something, so them just put some little drainage in it, cover it over, water still can flow underneath, but them just have them yard space there, you know. So them do it, people. So them do it, alright? Yeah, my people. That's how they do it. And then right so you have the Greater Portmore Health Center, I think, somewhere around here. So I can see if we can go around it. Just drive around the parking lot so you can get a glimpse on it and thing. Yeah, that's the health center. The clinic, if you want to call it that, you know, back in the days, a clinic you call it. Yeah, I got a clinic, yeah, I got a clinic. Yeah, a clinic this. Newborn, the people them if you get immunized, all them little things, yeah, yes, so them come. Right, so them come. The staff them enter through right so from my right, and them come right so. Yeah. And then straight ahead now, we have the post office. Alright? So the post office is to my left. The beginning of that building, the way you see it, straight ahead, the left side of the post office. Alright? Yeah. And you have the library go around, you have a few youth centers, some of them little thing there, alright? We're right now we're there in a Greater Portmore now, people. This is like the heart of Greater Portmore. Alright, I'm going to explain something to you now. Just a second, but this is the health center. Alright? Yeah. These are the clinic people. I just saw the people them come and then do the same lineup number something there. A morning time. That's how them do. Them line up and them do the numbering something. Alright, them collect the number and you know the clinic thing go from long time already. You line up, we wake up early before all security and everybody reach there. And you go collect number or something and that go and write us to a whole clinic set in Jamaica. That is a different topic, people. Oh my word. For another time, you understand? So yeah. Alright. So here we go on now. As I said to you, this is a Greater Portmore. That's a shopping center over there. So Greater Portmore shopping center, alright? It have a couple stores over there and thing. Alright? Yeah. We're going to take you over there too and we'll probably end the video over there, so. Alright? We're going to take you over there. Watch it go on now. So, as I said, Portmore divided in two sections basically. When you enter from the Portmore Mall side, you either go left or you go right. You go left, a Greater Portmore you come. You go right, you carry you to Gregory Park. Alright? Now, people from Greater Portmore refer to round here, so what we there right now as Greater Portmore. So if you talk to one Portmore person and I say, where you come from? And them say Greater Portmore, sometimes they shorten it and say Greats. That's how them call it, round of Greats. You understand? Here is where them would refer to, round here, so. Alright? And that them would refer to. Alright, my people, yeah, just go and take in the jelly man, them a chop some jelly and something, yeah. Just explain this for you. Alright, now, you have other sections around at this side, as me say, if you did for turn left at the mall, you have like Edgewater, you have like 1 knot, 2 knot, you have them scheme there, you understand? You have Brayton, Phase 1 and them something there. A Portmore person now go call this a Greater Portmore. But if you're talking to somebody outside of Portmore, or you talk to somebody from like Gregory Park side, and you tell them which part you live, without being very, you know, detailed, if you be specific, you would have said Greater Portmore, they would have known, say, yeah, I run a side. But what I try to say is when you talk to a Greater Portmore person, or somebody will live on the side, and them would have asked you where you live, you can't necessarily say Greater Portmore, because if you say Greater Portmore, them would not think round here so specifically. Alright? To my right, it go around more, which part you have like 3 east, 3 west, 2 east, 2 Two West, them place there where them really called Greater Portmore. You understand? So I hope you understand exactly what I say. I hope me not sound confusing. You get me? This area for a Portmore person would be referred to as Greater Portmore. Somebody who is not from Portmore, them would have called from the whole left turn out of the Portmore Mall, Mega Mart side, them would have called this a Greater Portmore. Because either you would have live at Greater Portmore or you live at Gregory Park. Round here so get the name Greater Portmore and it kind of stick to them because when Portmore or Greater Portmore they just a build up, I think around here was the first section we built up. And it was originally known as Greater Portmore, so it just carried the name. You get what I say? Original Portmore people are going to know say, when they say Greater Portmore around here, alright? I go done after that because I don't know if me sound confusing and I don't know if you get it, I don't want confusing no more, but I hope you get it. Alright? Chatting to a Greater Portmore people and you say you come from Greats or Greater Portmore, round here so them would not talk about. If it's somebody who is not from Portmore and you say Greater Portmore, them would not talk the wider area. Once you turn left from the mall, alright? Yeah. Boy, I know that was kind of confusing. Jano, sorry about that still. But yeah, so we're currently there at the clinic section. And, you know, we are making our way. We are making our way. Go over there, so across the road. Over the shopping center part. Alright? Yeah. That's the way I make our way go. I'm buckle up by my seatbelt, people. Alright, yeah. You also have a courthouse to my right there, so people. Them keep like night court and stuff. I guess them try like petty cases over here. Over there. Yeah. Not a biggie. Them usually run some night court over there, people. And I don't know what kind of case them try over there, to tell you the truth still. But them usually run like night court over there. Alright, yeah, and Jamaica keep night court sometime. Before this whole thingy, 2020, whatever, night court was a big thing, you know? Yeah. After the day court done and some night court normally keep. Yeah, but I don't really know big case like that. Alright? Yeah. Alright, so around here so as well you can find like the bus park them. You know? The bus them come park up around here so like the JUTC them, around here so them park, around here so the people them come catch the bus them for go where them a go. Whether Arbitrary or town. Yeah, this is where the bus them start from and this is where them stop. Final stop and the first starting point. Alright? Yeah. So as you see a couple of them, those two of them park right there. So but over here so to my right are where them normally park. People, that's a gated community in front of me. Yeah, that's a gated community in front of me, people. Alright? Over there so to gated community people. It was just a open land too. It was just a open land and as you can see them drop some townhouse over there. And thing. Yeah, and people live over there and it a go on. You understand? Yeah, me I tell you, another joke thing, people. That's something where, yeah, you see me? Where anywhere they go open space, they are Portmore, them do it. Right so to my right, when I tell you, so the bus them park up, you know. On a normal day, a whole heap more bus would have there. It's a weekend right now. You understand? So just a few. Whole heap more buses would have line off there and something. And then right beside it, you have a ball field. Alright? People, me not say them are going to stick with the ball field, cause, you know, but if it wasn't a dedicated ball field like that, also would have probably dropped on it too. So me I say in a Portmore right now, even though them say the whole of the space, the whole of the land use up, any little open space people, the people them a drop house pan it nowadays. You get me? Yeah? Any little open space them a drop house pan it nowadays. Alright, me know me have been a chat. Me could go in a shopping center. Although that's how me I go end the video still, you know. Over here, so I end the video. But you me want to tell you about little gated community in front of me still. But that's where I'm gonna end it. Alright, so this is the Greater Portmore Shopping Center. You have a supermarket over there, you have a couple barber shops, couple little food places and thing. You understand? Yeah. I one mobile network company over here too. Couple little places. No big nothing like that. We have a water store over here too. You know, people come get them bottle water full and them bottle full with water and thing. Yeah, a couple places. It's not really a place like where you come hang out. One time it used to have an ice cream shop and you know people now, but this is another thing right now. You have newer plazas built up in a Portmore where the people them choose for hang out right now. You know? Yeah. All them little thing the people. And thing. Get me? So yeah man, this Greater Portmore Shopping Center and thing. As I say, you have little places. As you can see in front of me, you have a couple benches and thing you can sit down and you know. And if you still want to, you can do it. And over there, so I tell you, library and thing. You also have a little space over there so you can sit down and thing too and just chill. But it's not really a chill spot like that per se. If you really look for go chill, like a Sunday evening vibe or a Saturday evening vibe, a lot more places in a Portmore where you can go and you know, it's more accommodating, more relaxing, more comfortable, alright? Yeah my people. So right now this is where I'm gonna end this one, alright? But as I say, if you don't see somewhere where you did want to see in a Portmore, not to worry about it. This video is just this is part of a series of videos that I'll be doing. Alright, so you don't know 876 by birth. Just do the right thing, no man. Subscribe, like it up, and do them thing there. Alright, comment people, comment, make a whole little vibe now. Yeah, 876 by birth. Big up on yourself, you know, people, and give thanks as usual. Alright, yeah man, bless up.
Hey guys, if you've made it this far in the video, I just want to say thank you for watching and I really appreciate you, okay? By the way, before you go, leave a comment in the comment section. If it's even to say hi or hello, no need to be shy, alright? Talk to me in the comment section, guys. I will respond to you, alright? And until our next video, stay safe.